Hey, welcome to this sneak peek of our Power BI Sales Retail Dashboard. As always, we begin with a welcome page, designed to help you navigate the dashboard with ease. The welcome page includes navigation buttons, showing that the report consists of 4 insightful pages: Sales Overview, Dynamic Analysis, Store 360, and Info. Let's dive into the overview first, the ideal starting point for your analysis. Here, you get the big picture: total figures, key comparisons versus last year, or your target. Once you spot areas that need attention, you're encouraged to dig deeper. Using the drill-through feature, you can transition to the dynamic page. Now this is where the magic happens. The dynamic page lets you explore data at your preferred level, first, second, or even third level of granularity. You're in control. And if the selected level includes store data, you're just a click away from the Store 360 page, an exclusive profile for each store, where all key performance indicators are brought together in one place. So, that's a quick walkthrough of the story we've built. Thanks for watching.